Forte-Isaacs. Sheila, you're up.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, good. What I'm doing, I'm going to talk about intermittent fasting. And I listened to the video by Dr. Eric Burke. He's a doctor of chiropractic. And he talked about the power of intermittent fasting. One of the things he said, it is a tool. It's not a diet. It's a pattern of eating and a pattern of not eating. And so he said there's intermittent fasting triggers two important hormones. One is growth hormone and the other one is insulin. He also states that when you eat a meal, whenever we eat a meal, we spike our insulin levels. Therefore, we can intermittent fast in two different ways. Number one is we can eat 3 meals a day with no snacks and certain fats. He also says we can eat 16 hours. We have 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours of eating, and 8 hours of. It's like an 8-hour window. It's an 8-hour window, basically, versus a 20-hour window. And he said the power of this is that at nighttime we burn fat by intermittent fasting. In the morning we also burn fat. So he gave an example of two different ways. As I mentioned before, one is you can have 2 meals a day. So you would do this in 20 hours and 4-hour in a 4-hour window of eating. The other way, you can have 3 meals, 16 hours of fasting, and all this has to be done in an 8-hour window. So he says that it takes time to incorporate this fasting, but it's very possible to do it. You just have to be consistent and take your time and actually do it. Do the same thing on a regular basis, not here and there. And he says there's also a segment he talked about if you want to lose weight for fasting. Going to that part of it as much as our systems is the best way. Thank you. And that's basically, it was a very short video. It was only like 7 minutes. So he didn't say a whole lot, but just the main things about intermittent fasting.
Beautiful. Beautifully done, Dr. Sheila. Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
So I hope everybody is into the intermittent fasting, and you can